Sometimes your fish will simply be dying of old age, and there's nothing you can do about it. If you've had your fish for a few years, then this is probably going to be the case. When a fish is dying from old age, you'll notice the following symptoms. Poor appetite. If your fish doesn't eat as much as they used to and they're getting old, then it's a sign that their life is coming to an end. When they refuse to eat completely is typically the sign that there aren't going to be many days left. Lethargic. The older your fish gets, the less they're going to move around as well. When your fish is close to dying, you may notice that their movement has become minimal. Loss of color. As their bodies get weaker and weaker, you'll begin to notice that your fish looks a lot more faded, and the colors won't pop as they used to. Again, there's nothing you can do about this, it's just a sign of old age. Common causes behind your fish dying. While there are plenty of specific reasons that your fish may have died, here are the most common causes behind them. These are the ones you can keep on top of from the beginning to prevent your fish from getting sick. Poor water quality. The quality of the water in your aquarium is key to the well-being of your fish. Suboptimal water conditions, such as high levels of ammonia, nitrites, or nitrates, can have adverse effects on fish health. These harmful elements can impair the fish's gills and internal organs, leading to increased susceptibility to diseases. Regular water testing and changes are essential for maintaining optimal water quality. Failing to do so can result in loss of fish life. Wrong water temperature. Temperature plays a crucial role in the metabolism and immune system of tropical fish. A water temperature that's too high can lead to increased metabolism, but decrease oxygen levels, making it difficult for fish to breathe. Conversely, a too low temperature can slow down a fish's metabolic processes, making them vulnerable to infections. Generally, most tropical fish require a consistent water temperature within a specific range, usually between 75 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Stress. Fish are susceptible to stress from various sources such as sudden changes in water conditions, overfeeding, and bullying from other fish. Chronic stress weakens the fish's immune system, making them more prone to diseases and infections. Signs of stress may include erratic swimming, decreased appetite, or faded colors. It is vital to identify and mitigate the source of stress as quickly as possible to ensure the longevity of your aquatic pets. Poor diet. Although dietary needs are species-specific, feeding your fish an incorrect diet can lead to malnutrition or obesity, both of which are harmful to your fish. Malnutrition impairs the immune system and the ability to heal, whereas obesity can lead to blockages like constipation and swim bladder disease. Ensuring a balanced diet rich in the necessary nutrients, vitamins, and minerals will help in maintaining the overall health of your fish. What to do when your fish is dying. Navigating the difficult time when your fish is dying can be stressful, but understanding the appropriate steps to take, from water changes to medication and, in severe cases, euthanasia, can make a significant difference in the quality of life that your fish can have. Here's a breakdown of what you should consider. Water changes. The first step when you notice your fish looks like it's dying is to test the water parameters immediately. If the pH or temperature isn't right, ammonia and nitrites are too high, then this could be causing problems. So use a reliable water testing kit like the API Master Tech Kit to assess these factors. If anything is off, work to fix the issues. If the ammonia is too high, perform a water change or add API Ammo Lock. If the pH isn't right, add pH up or pH down, and if the temperature is too high or low, adjust your heater. Medication. Remember, before you add medication, you should always consult with a vet or professional. With that being said, they may recommend that you treat your fish with common medications like antifungals or antibacterials. The correct choice will depend on the symptoms of your fish, and remember to always follow the instructions. Euthanasia. Euthanasia should be a last resort, only considered when the fish is in irreversible pain and suffering. If you're not sure whether it's time to euthanize your fish, then you should always consult a professional first. Humane methods include the clove oil method or the